Hey, what's up, everybody? My name is Timothy Dorfner. I am the owner of Brand Vision Inc. Marketing, and I'm also one of the marketing executives with Builderall, which is an awesome new marketing platform in which you basically have all your marketing tools in one place, which is extremely convenient and it saves you a lot of money. Now, if you're an aspiring internet marketer, or you do online advertising to promote your business, this is definitely something that you're going to want to pay attention to. Um, so I'm not only going to just give you here a big spiel about how great it is or anything like that. Yeah, I'm going to give you an overview just to kind of tell you all the tools that you'll be able to have within this marketing platform, but I'm also going to give you a free test drive. Um, and that's no credit card required. We don't need a credit card. Keep it in your back pocket. You get a whole week. I know that's not enough to, you'll see when I go over everything here real quick, just a brief overview. That's not enough to show you everything, but it is enough to show you how much you can actually do with it. As you can see here, is basically this is the quick start page, and you got all your stats, and this is basically for 7 months. It shows your amount of signups, actual subscribers, how much money you've made. This is what I made this year. And I'm new, so this is like a product that literally um, sells itself. Now, there's a few different options. Now, some people will just, after the trial, if they want to keep going, which most people do, um, they just want to use the marketing tools to promote their business and make websites and whatnot. That's only 29 bucks a month. And doing the math, I was paying close to 400 bucks for these marketing tools. Now, if you're looking to build a business out of it, Builderall has an awesome affiliate program, which I'm going to kind of just briefly mention and give you an overview on as well. Um, it's an extra 20 bucks. It's 49 bucks a month. You get all the business training. You get the quick start guides, tutorial videos, everything. Plus, you also get webinar access to webinar in addition to all these other tools. And just to give you that brief overview, what you do get with Builderall is you can build unlimited. It's always a tongue twister. Unlimited websites, blogs, capture pages. You got 3 different builders. You got a standard drop and drag pixel builder, which is very easy to use. You got a responsive builder. You got a mobile first builder, and oh, you also got a blog builder too. So that's in the legacy right here. Um, so you really got 4 different builders, and if you include the fact that you also have an app builder, there is also something in here. One of the marketing tools is an actual app builder, so you can build mobile apps, which is a nice add-on, or something you're looking to get into a niche. I mean, you could sell just mobile apps. I mean, there's tons of sales funnels, and guys, the awesome thing here, and I'm going to actually show you this here, is you have access to tons of different sales funnels and pre-made websites. So all you really got to do is change the text and plug in, um, your credentials. Like for your website, you can create, your company websites, blogs, your landing pages, your opt-in pages. You got all that here. Matter of fact, let me take you to some of these templates, and you can kind of get a better idea real quick. Okay, so here it is. Basically, these are all pre-built templates, and you can see how nice and professional they already look. Broken down into category. I mean, you've got your express business category, which pretty much has every different niche business under the sun. They got a pre-built website. Um, I mean, you got everything in here. You got your internet marketing, for example. Tons of different pages here. Um, oh yeah, and video sales letter pages. I mean, it's limitless what you can do. This is just the builder. This is just one thing. This is just the templates for the builder. Um, I mean, news pages where you can like create a news blog. Let's see. Oh, and here's a cool thing that they just kind of did is separate the sales funnel. So they got every different sales funnel here separated. Um, that you can work. You got your video sales letter, your long sales letter, your home. What is this? My eyes are getting bad, but the squeeze page, funnel, revert. I know there's like a reverse funnel. I'll use that. Opt-in funnel. I mean, pretty much everything. And the cool thing is when you click on a tutorial, it'll show you the exact layout of that funnel and how to go through it. So again, this is just the builder, the templates for the builder. Like I said, there's so many other things. Seriously, there really is. Like for instance, I already told you there's an app builder. Besides all the builders, the pre-built funnels and templates, there's also a design studio where you can build mock-ups, and there's templates in there too, and it's really pretty awesome. You can build like, if any of you know what Canva is, basically you got your own Canva inside here, where you can pretty much make all kinds of different posts for social media, design banners, graphics, whatever it is. You got your webinar platform. Now that only comes with the Builder All Business, which is the upgraded $49.99 a month. And that basically, the way it works is for 29 bucks, you can have access to all the tools except for webinar. Have all the features, all the tools. For an extra 20 bucks, you can have all the features, all the tools, and you can also become a Builder All affiliate. You get 100% on the first sale. Okay, so basically anytime someone signs up, you get 100%, and then you get a 30% residual income each month. And so really it can add up pretty quick. But anyway, there's even some new stuff going on here. Actually, there's a lot of new stuff going on. The amount of training videos they've added is ridiculous. Anything you can think of, anything you have problems with, there's a training and tutorial videos. Also, when you sign up, I will be your sponsor. I'll do anything I can to help you, because obviously when you stay on, hopefully it helps you. It's going to help me too. You know what I mean? Not only that, but there's a Builder All Facebook group that's really active, but tons of different stuff. I never even told you there's 2 video builders. There is actually a professional copywriting app even, where you can write up your own VSL video sales letter scripts and regular scripts for emails or sales scripts, whatever, and it's a professional copywriting app. There's free SSLs with all the websites. I mean, my eyes are a little bad here, but honestly, let's see here. What else is on here? There's a weekly training webinar. I mean, there's Facebook and social media like tools. There's a share locker. I mean, there's just all kinds of stuff on here for the 29. Honestly, if you're thinking about building a business, it's not too hard to see. This is besides, I mean, yeah, I've built some businesses from scratch. A lot of the customers I got came from cold calling though. Okay. And when I set up my online stores, it took a lot of time to get those rolling. I started to get into internet marketing a few years back, and honestly, it took me like months and months just to get my first couple leads. With this Builder All here, this is something that's sought after. It's something that people want. It's practically sells itself. It's an awesome affiliate program, and it's the most successful I've been with an affiliate program. I mean, by far. I mean, I plan to grow with this company. I mean, there's so many things in the works, and honestly, the best thing to do is to get in on the ground floor. I mean, and that's why I want to go ahead and give you the 7-day all access pass, and we're also going to be doing a challenge training, a 30, 60, and 90-day challenge. So we're going to provide training for you. I'm going to show you exactly how to implement digital marketing, how to get your websites built and noticed. Pretty much you're going to learn in stages. Now, yeah, obviously you won't be able to learn everything in a week, but I'll get you as much of the basic training in a week as I can. And I'm sure that once you even play around a little bit and just see the potential, that you're going to want to stick around. So anyway, that's the overview. There should be a button below this, and then you should read this page too, but there's also a button at the bottom of the page. Just click that button and it's going to take you to a page that looks like this. So once you get to this page, you know, you can feel free, and all you got to really do here to get started for 7 days, no credit card or anything, you just got to push the button here and enter your email and your name, and you're all set up and you have complete access. You've got your own back office, and basically this is just another overview of this whole page. But basically the important thing is, one thing I should show you here, the pricing I was kind of going over a little bit, and this just kind of goes over everything. So first, sign up, get yourself going, and then if you need that in more detail, this is basically how it breaks down. I haven't seen anybody go with this. This is basically if you just want one website and some of the tools. But it's either this one or this one generally. So I'm looking forward to working with you. If you got any questions, I will do the best I can to answer it. And let's make some money. You know what I mean? Let's rock and roll.